This is the solution for problem number 5 from the December 1994 junior competition on logs and exponents. Given two equations, find x plus y. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify that first equation. So I have 3x to the power log of 3 equals 6y to the power log of 6. So I'm going to put this in log form, or I'm going to take the log of both sides. So I get the log of 3x to the log of 3 equals log of 6y to the log of 6. Now, in log form, I can always bring exponents out in front. So this becomes log of 3 times log of 3x equals log of 6 multiplied by the log of 6y. Okay, so then in brackets, that log of 3x, that becomes log of 3, add log of x. On the other side, this becomes log of 6, add log of y. Simplifying this, I have log 3 squared, add log 3, log x, equals log 6 squared, add log 6 log y. Okay, that was all from the first equation. That's the most simplified that I can get. So now I'm going to have to go on to the second equation. Again, for the second equation, I'm going to take the log of both sides. So this time I get log of 6 to the log x equals log of 3 to the log y. So this becomes log x log 6 equals log y log 3 once I bring those exponents out in front. So I'm going to solve for the log of y. So I get the log of y equals the log of x times the log of 6 all over the log of 3. Now I can do substitution. So in the equation that I have, I'm going to substitute for log of y. I've run out of room, so I'm going to erase some of what I've already done. Okay, so I just rewrote that equation, the equation from the first equation at the top, and now I'm going to substitute in for log of y. So I still have log of 3 squared, add log of 3, log of x, equals log 6 squared, add log of 6, multiplied by log 6 log x over log of 3. Okay, so let's go about simplifying. So simplifying, I'm going to get log of 3 squared plus log of 3 log of x equals log of 6 squared, add log of 6 squared, log of x over log of 3. Okay, move all the logs of x to one side and everything else to the other side. So I have log of 3 log of x minus log of 6 squared log of x over log of 3 equals log of 6 squared minus log of 3 squared. Factoring out a log of x, I get log of 3 minus log of 6 squared over log of 3, which equals log of 6 squared minus log of 3 squared. Okay, so this will give me log of x equals log of 6 squared minus log of 3 squared all over log of 3 minus log of 6 squared over log of 3. Okay, so we're going to keep going. Denominator, I want to get all of that together. So this is going to become log of 3 squared minus log of 6 squared all over log of 3. And in the numerator I have log of 6 squared minus log of 3 squared. Okay, so you're going to notice that these cancel but leave a negative 1. So then I get log of x equals negative log of 3. So log of x equals log of 3 to the negative 1. So x equals 1/3. Okay, so from there we have to find y. Remember before that we solved for log of y. So I'm going to erase what we have currently. Okay, so before we found that log of y was equal to log of x log of 6 divided by the log of 3. So this gives us log of y equals log of 1/3 log of 6 over log of 3. Now we can't just multiply all those arguments. It doesn't work like that. So please don't try that. But 1/3, remember, is 3 to the negative first. So this is negative log of 3 log of 6 over log of 3. These cancel, so I get log of y equals negative log of 6. So log of y equals log of 6 to the negative first, which gives me y equals 1/6. So then x plus y is 1/3, add 1/6. So this is 2 over 6, add 1 over 6, which is 3 over 6, or 1/2. I know that was really tricky, so if you didn't get that, rewatch the video, or just try to do some manipulations with the equations and see what you can come up with.